Yesterday, Huawei has released the new P20 series that includes P20, P20 Lite and the Pro. This new series have also the madness Porsche Design Mate RS model that has both in-screen fingerprint sensor and rear fingerprint sensor. What's up guys, Zokohola here and welcome back to another daily video. Today I bring you the Huawei P20 Pro. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to see the latest videos. Huawei this year is focusing on P20 Pro's rear camera. The P20 Pro comes with a much higher specs, including 3 cameras on the rear that are said to be a big part of the marketing for the new handset. Huawei P20 Pro is one of the best looking and best built phones that company has ever made. It's a bigger than the Huawei P20, but it's easier to hold because of the curved rear design. P20 Pro has metal edges, these are also rounded and don't poke into your hand. On the right side we can find the power button and the volume rockers, while the left side has the SIM slot. On the back we can find the amazing Leica triple camera that features an amazing 40 megapixel RGB sensor with f1.8 aperture plus another 20 megapixel monochrome with f1.6 aperture plus 8 megapixel telephoto that has f2.4 aperture. These cameras support autofocus, laser focus, deep focus, phase focus and contrast focus. On the front we can find a small notch that houses the single lens camera that has also 24 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture and the stereo speaker. This phone is waterproof and it's IP67 water and dust certified. That means it will survive to the odd accidental tank in the sink. But Huawei has also given this as an excuse for not including a 3.5 headphone jack. If you want to use the wired headset with the phone, you'll have to use the USB-C dongle. P20 Pro comes with very new amazing colors. There's a gradient finish on the both, twilight and the pink gold option. That's the Huawei named for the finish, which shows a spectrum of colors depending on what angle you are looking at the device. The P20 Pro has a huge 6.1-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2240p and the aspect ratio is 18.9. Thanks to the almost bezel-less design, it doesn't feel like a phone with a large screen. Inside the Huawei P20 Pro is the Kirin 970 chipset. We saw this in the last year Huawei's Mate 10 Pro. So I hope that the P20 Pro will be able to keep his place on the top with the other flagship phones announced this year. That chipset includes a neural processing unit, which Huawei is putting a big focus for both the P20 and P20 Pro, as it's the heart of the artificial intelligence features inside the new phones. A lot of AI improvements here are within the camera, allowing it, for example, to automatically detect the type of scene you are shooting. P20 Pro comes with a huge 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, so you should have plenty of space for all your media and games. This model will support also microSD expandable storage. The Pro is powered by the latest Android 8.1 Oreo software, but it looks different to what you'll see on the other phones, as it comes in the form of Huawei own MOE 8.1. There's a 4000 mAh battery inside the Pro, which should perform well considering the phone has well-optimized chipset. Huawei super fast charging technology is packed in here too, so you should be able to charge your phone very fast. Huawei has built numerous cameras with both color and black and white sensor working in tandem to get the photos with improved depth of field, and now that telephoto lens will also let you to zoom with no loss of image quality. RGB sensor is a whopping 40 megapixel sensor this time around, and that's work alongside with a 20 megapixel monochrome sensor. For your normal mode picture, it will combine the images from the two lenses. Above the RGB sensor, you'll find an 8 megapixel telephoto sensor. This allows you to make zoom up to 5x. On the front is a huge 24 megapixel selfie camera. The final verdict is that the Huawei P20 Pro is putting such a big focus on the camera improvements than the other elements of the phone. That said, everything looks up to scratch and this is the best looking phone from Huawei till now. Has a big 4000 mAh battery that will last up to 2 days of usage. Both front facing and rear camera makes amazing videos and photos. and comes with the new AI image stabilization feature. The rear cameras has slow-mo mode with 960 fps and with the Kirin 970 chipset, and that 6 GB of RAM will run the latest apps and games. Is now available on pre-order and the price starts from £799. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to see the latest videos. Well, till the next time, see you. Bye bye.